Who wants this? Who wants this? Who wants this? Who wants coffee? Who wants coffee? Who wants coffee? Who wants to go? Who wants to go? Who wants to go? Who wants to play? Who wants to play? Who wants to play? Whose is this book? Whose is this book? Whose is this book? Whose is this food? Whose is this food? Whose is this food? Whose is this phone? Whose is this phone? Whose is this phone? Who sent this? Who sent this? Who sent this? Who sent this message? Who sent this message? Who sent this message? Who sent you here? Who sent you here? Who sent you here? Who sent you there? Who sent you there? Who sent you there? How do you know? How do you know? How do you know? How do you feel now? How do you feel now? How do you feel now? How do you feel about me? How do you feel about me? How do you feel about me? How is the food? How is the food? How is the food? How is your father? How is your father? How is your father? How is your mother? How is your mother? How is your mother? What is on the desk? What is on the desk? What is on the desk? What is on the tree? What is on the tree? What is on the tree? What is on your mind? What is on your mind? What is on your mind? Do you have one in blue? Do you have one in blue? Do you have one in blue? What do you have here? What do you have here? What do you have here? Do you have everything? Do you have everything? Do you have everything? Do you have children? Do you have children? Do you have children? Do you have money? Do you have money? Do you have money? When did you finish? When did you finish? When did you finish? What time did you finish? What time did you finish? What time did you finish? Why do you say that? Why do you say that? Why do you say that? Why do you work here? Why do you work here? Why do you work here? Why do you ignore me? Why do you ignore me? Why do you ignore me? Why do you love me? Why do you love me? Why do you love me? Why do you hate me? Why do you hate me? Why do you hate me? Why do you need this? Why do you need this? Why do you need this? Why do you live alone? Why do you live alone? Why do you live alone? Do you live here? Do you live here? Do you live here? Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? Do you live alone? Do you live alone? Do you live alone? Do you live with someone? Do you live with someone? Do you live with someone? Do you live near here? Do you live near here? Do you live near here? Will you come again? Will you come again? Will you come again? Will you come tonight? Will you come tonight? Will you come tonight? Will you come alone? Will you come alone? Will you come alone? Will you try this on? Will you try this on? Will you try this on? How will you help? How will you help? How will you help? How will you do that? How will you do that? How will you do that? Will you accept this job? Will you accept this job? Will you accept this job? Will you stay home? Will you stay home? Will you stay home? Will you stay here? Will you stay here? Will you stay here? Will you stay or leave? Will you stay or leave? Will you stay or leave? Will you tell me the truth? Will you tell me the truth? Will you tell me the truth? Will you travel alone? Will you travel alone? Will you travel alone? Will you travel alone?